What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at the Dad Life. Hope everyone is having a blessed and healthy day today. It's been quite a while. It's been about a week since I've been posting a video, and I apologize, and I'm just gonna get straightforward with it. As you guys can see from the title, yes, I'm going to change my YouTube name, and a lot of you guys are probably asking at this point, why am I going to change it? So first thing is first, guys, I appreciate all the love and support you guys have been giving me. Like I said, we are on the road to 4,000 subscribers, and everyone that's been supporting me since day one. I know I started my YouTube channel a couple years back, and I've been on and off with YouTube, and I feel like this year has been probably the year where I've been actually really consistent with my videos. Let's just go ahead and start off with my name, The Dad Life. So as you guys know, I've been having this YouTube name for a while. If you guys have been following me since day one, my YouTube name was actually B-Town Kicks 24 in the beginning, because I was collecting a lot of sneakers back then. I used to work at Champs for about 5 years. Years went by, and then I ended up having my first child, baby Rose. When I started up YouTube again, I wanted this channel to be more of a family friendly channel where I just constantly just talk about my life, just being a father and a parent in general, and that's the reason why I came up with The Dad Life in the beginning. And then, you know, once months went on, I started collecting shoes once again. If you guys seen my collection before, I did delete these videos back then. I wish I had kept it, so I'd actually kept this on my channel and showed you guys what my collection used to be. And then I just kind of stick with the name, The Dad Life. And a lot of people ask me on Instagram sometimes, why are you called The Dad Life? Blah blah. You guys already know. If you know my life, you follow me on Instagram, I have 2 beautiful daughters. I love them to death, and like I said, that's the reason why I'm called The Dad Life, because of my kids. This channel should have been a family friendly channel where I just basically give you guys daily vlogs of my life and what goes on with my kids and myself. No, I'm not a big vlogger. I don't vlog every single day like a lot of family friendly channels do, and I kind of want to just kind of stay away from that and just keep my life you know, a private thing, as that's probably the word I would probably say. So like I said, I am changing my YouTube channel name. You guys will see a different name on my Instagram, so that's probably where it's going to start. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's still going to be The Dad Life 24. So I am going to change it possibly in the next couple days, probably. I don't want to announce it on a video, because I think by the time I announce it on the video, I probably had changed my YouTube name by then, so I probably won't put it in the video. But I do want to just let you guys know I am changing my YouTube name, starting out fresh when it comes to this channel. I had a conversation with a lot of my close friends on YouTube. You already know who you guys are. If you're watching this, appreciate you guys for, you know, just hearing me out and whatnot and giving me that advice. But like I said, yes, we are changing the YouTube name. I'm pretty excited about it. Like I said, I really don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, of just the whole change, because obviously a lot of you guys that have been following me for a while just see me as The Dad Life. So the name is going to be retired, and we are just gonna put that flag up and just go ahead and move on with the channel. And like I said, guys, this is gonna be all sneaker related videos. I haven't posted a video in a week, and that's the reason why I haven't, because I've been thinking about this decision. And like I said, I'm a small YouTuber. I feel like doing it now is a good decision, because hopefully one day I get more followers and whatnot, and just see me as who I am by just you guys watching my content. So if you guys think I'm gonna leave this video without an unboxing, so hey, I want to give a huge shout out to my boy 1127 Kicks. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. My boy, man, I am really excited about this. This is a shoe that I already have, and I actually wanted to double up on this sneaker, because if you guys know, if you guys have been following me on Instagram and whatnot, I've been collecting a lot of these sneakers for the last couple months or weeks. So you guys probably know what it is. Man, I am struggling trying to open this box. So as you guys can see, it's a Nike box. You guys are probably wondering, what the heck did you buy? Yo, shout outs to my boy 1127 Kicks. Make sure you guys go follow him. I'll leave his link down below in the description box. He's been killing it with his content. He just reached 2.3 subscribers. Shout out to my boy. Hey, congratulations. Let's get this man to 3K. Let's get him at the 3K club. So like I said, shout out to my boy 1127 Kicks for the oop. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna let you guys see it. Boom, another pair of these Nike, oh my goodness, I love this shoe. Another pair of these Nike Dunk Low SP St. John's, whatever you guys want to call this, the University Red colorway. I already have a pair in my room, so this is a double up. This is going to be my second pair that I'm going to keep on ice. I am super happy to have these in my collection. Once again, a double up, like I said, man. So that is pretty much it for the video. I know, like I said, I'm not going to announce my new YouTube name on this video. I'm just gonna go ahead and just change it up on Instagram and you guys will see it. Like I said, I appreciate all the love and support you guys have been giving me. This is pretty much a new beginning of this channel. If you guys rock with me, if you guys support me, I appreciate you guys so much. So make sure you guys smash that like button if you guys are here to support me all the way. I hope you guys stay blessed, stay healthy, and make sure you guys wash your hands. It's really important. And make sure you guys wear your mask and stay safe out there, guys. This is the Dad Life. Stay blessed, stay healthy. As always, see you guys in the next video. Peace.